If you find that your inverter is not turning off properly from the rocker switch below the touchscreen and the inverter is not in auto mode, this video is going to explain to you how to change those settings. The first thing is to access the inverter on the rear compartment of your vehicle. Make sure that the power button on the inverter is pushed in, that the screen is actually lit up and has power. If it does not, then double check the power cutoff switch below or next to your inverter. The next step is to push the OK button and hold it in while the beep is going until the screen changes. The screen is going to say 00. Push the up arrow button one time, the middle button. The screen will change to 01. The screen will indicate off. That is incorrect. It needs to say auto. So to change that, push the OK button one time and then push the up arrow button 2 times. 1, 2. The screen will now say ATO, which means automatic mode. Push the OK button to save that, and then push the ESC button to exit out of the programming screen. Then the inverter should turn off and on with the rocker switch below the touchscreen.